What is the best way to find things to learn on realpython.com? So there are a couple of ways you can slice and dice our content and find exactly the tutorials that will help you the most anytime you're browsing the site. So I want to show you how you can do that and what I would personally recommend as the best strategy for maximizing your learning success. So as you can see, we have a big search box here at the top, and this is always available to you no matter what you do on the site. And I would encourage you to use it. So let's say you wanted to learn about Python decorators. So here, I'm just gonna punch the keyword decorator or decorators in, hit the return key, and I get taken to the search results. So what you'll find here is a list of tutorials, courses, quizzes, everything that we have on the site where we think it is relevant to your search query. And of course, you can redo your search and you can search at any time, change the query, search as many times as you want. What I'm seeing here is that there is a video course I can watch on Python decorators. There's also a written tutorial on Python decorators because it doesn't say course, it doesn't have the play button here. There is other individual courses and lessons that I could watch that talk about decorators. And there's other articles and other material that also mention decorators and talk about them. In general, we sort this list by the results that we think are the most helpful. So in this case, if you're interested in decorators, I would encourage you to start with the course or the article. And they're both connected, so you will always be able to find one from the other. So in this case here, from the course, I can jump to the article, and then the article can bounce me back to the course. That is a really, really good way to quickly find the content, kind of quickly survey what is available here on the website. Now, if I search for OOP, for example, it gives me another list of results. And what I see popping up here is a learning path.